AirClean Systems would like to thank you for your time and interest in our latest laboratory safety innovation. PowderSafe ductless enclosures mark a new era for personal protection during the manipulation of pharmaceutical-grade chemicals and compounds. The presentation you are about to view will demonstrate the safety advantages and user-friendly features that PowderSafe ductless enclosures provide to you, the operator.
For centuries, scientists have researched ways to improve the quality of life while unknowingly putting themselves at risk. Many applications that were once believed to be safely manipulated on the open bench are now known to cause health risks based on their exposure limits. These exposure limits, as published by American Conference of Governmental Industrial Hygienists and enforced by OSHA, are critical to the safety of the environment, lab personnel, and the researcher. AirClean Systems PowderSafe ductless enclosures play a vital role in eliminating the health risks associated with day-to-day manipulation of pharmaceutical and industrial compounds. PowderSafe provides an ideal, stable environment for applications ranging from bulk packaging and manipulation to precise weighing of critical compounds and solvents. The PowderSafe 700 series is available in 3 application-specific versions. Unique to each PowderSafe enclosure is the Airsafe automatic safety controller. Airsafe allows the operator to precisely set face velocity, which minimizes airflow disturbance and maximizes operator protection. As the filters begin to clog, the Airsafe adjusts the blower speed without need for operator input. This allows the operator to concentrate on the application without fear of their safety being compromised. Airsafe really takes the guesswork out. There are 3 versions available: Type A, Type B, and Type C. AirClean Systems PowderSafe Type A enclosures provide an effective and safe weighing environment for toxic compounds or chemicals. The Airsafe automatic safety controller, standard on all Type A enclosures, constantly monitors airflow and filter condition. The controller allows the operator to set the desired face velocity, which minimizes airflow disturbance and maximizes operator protection. The Type A enclosure provides balanced negative pressure at the face of the enclosure. Laminar flow room air enters the enclosure at 1. Room air moves evenly throughout the enclosure at 2, while capturing any particulate or fumes. Clean air is exhausted at 3, after passing through pre-filtration and HEPA or bonded carbon filtration. The PowderSafe Type A enclosure has been independently tested and validated for containment of gases and particulate. Safe change, as utilized in the Type A enclosure, allows the operator to change the pre-filters without turning the enclosure off. This minimizes the potential for exposure to toxic particulate. Safe change ensures operator protection during routine maintenance. PowderSafe Type B enclosures provide maximum operator protection during weighing and filter changeout. Variable airflow volume control ensures constant operator protection from exposures to pharmaceutical-grade compounds. AirClean Systems Type B enclosures are ideal for use with both known and unknown compounds. The Type B is designed solely for weighing powders and particulate. HEPA filter changeout in the Type B ductless balance enclosure is accomplished by AirClean Systems' innovative HEPA-Safe changeout procedure. HEPA-Safe minimizes the potential for operator exposure to toxic particulate during the changeout of the HEPA filter. The Type B enclosures continue to run, providing negative pressure during the primary HEPA filter replacement. Particulate that escapes from the primary HEPA filter is contained in the airstream and filtered with a backup safety HEPA filter. Here's how the Type B works. Air enters at 1 and is drawn in a laminar flow towards the rear plenum of the enclosure while being mixed with contaminated air at 2. At 3, the contaminated air first enters a pre-filter before entering the primary HEPA filter. Air cleaned by the primary HEPA filter enters the permanent safety HEPA filter at 4. Clean air is returned to the room at 5. PowderSafe Type B enclosures are independently tested and validated for containment of particulate. AirClean Systems PowderSafe Type C enclosures incorporate the airflow characteristics and HEPA-safe filtration technology of the Type B enclosures, while offering the chemical absorption capability of our ductless fume hoods. The Type C enclosures provide effective operator protection from potential exposure to toxic powders, particulate, chemical fumes, and vapors. Bonded carbon filters produce no filter dust normally associated with carbon filtration. In the past, a HEPA afterfilter was required to protect applications from carbon dust. AirClean Systems has eliminated this problem with breakthrough bonded carbon technology. Bonded carbon filters are solid blocks of activated coconut shell carbon, held in a solid and predictable matrix via proprietary binder. The filter has the same life as a granular carbon filter. However, the carbon is much more evenly distributed within the filter, eliminating dead areas found in granular carbon filters. PowderSafe Type C is equipped with the Airsafe automatic safety controller. Incorporating a combination of airflow monitoring and gas detection, the Airsafe automatic safety controller allows you to breathe easier, knowing your safety is constantly monitored. Truly, a universal enclosure built with the application and operator in mind. Here's how the Type C works. Air enters at 1 in an even horizontal laminar flow. Contaminated air enters at 2, where particulate is removed via electrostatic prefiltration and HEPA filtration. Particulate-free air moves upwards to 3, where it enters the HEPA-safe filtration area. Particulate-free air then passes into 4, the deep carbon filter bed, where chemical fumes and vapors are removed. Clean air is then exhausted at 5 for return to the laboratory. AirClean Systems PowderSafe ductless enclosures meet the diverse challenges of today's modern laboratory by controlling occupational exposure to hazardous chemicals, fumes, powders, and particulate. For more information, contact AirClean Systems at our toll-free number, 800-849-0472.
AirClean Systems hopes you found this presentation to be informative and useful in your search for the correct safety enclosure to meet your personal protection requirements. My colleagues and I look forward to discussing PowderSafe ductless enclosures and your specific containment needs. AirClean Systems appreciates your interest in PowderSafe ductless enclosures and our company.